This Indy's Case real estate property video is presented by Indy Charming home built in 1940 just a few blocks east of the square. Upon approach, you'll notice the multiple, well-manicured flower beds and matching storage shed. Accessible ramp at the front of the home opens to the living room and dining area. Wood-burning stove heats the home and is a prominent feature. Kitchen has a bar area and portable dishwasher, extending countertop space. The well-laid-out 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom home utilizes the square footage well. The backyard is fully fenced, with a vegetable garden and chicken coop. 1-car-attached garage. This well-cared-for home is looking for its new owner. Will it be you? For more information, review the details below or contact Indy at 417-567-0808.